नाइन्थ क्लास स्टूडेंट एक्सरसाइज 4.3 फैक्टराइजेशन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 फर्स्ट पार्ट इज x minus 2y minus x square plus 4y square. Taking the bracket x minus 2y minus, when they put in the bracket, sign change, plus minus 4y square will be x minus 2y, it is same minus, make the identity a square mean x square minus 2y. First bracket x minus 2y, it is same minus plus minus x plus 2y, other bracket x minus 2y, remove the big bracket x minus 2y minus x plus 2y and x minus 2y. Expression, make the two term to take the common is x minus 2y. After common, 1 minus x plus 2y, bracket close, remove the small bracket, x minus 2y is common, then 1 minus, when the bracket the open, x minus will be 2y. Factor will be x minus 2y and other bracket 1 minus x minus 2y will be factor of the given expression. Second part is, second part 4a square minus b square plus 2a plus b. Taking the bracket 4a square minus b square plus 2a plus b, make the identity a square minus b square form, a will be 2a and b is equal to b, plus 2a plus b, it is same plus minus 2a minus b and 2a plus b will be according to identity a square minus b square 2a plus b bracket is same. Remove the big bracket. 2a minus b and 2a plus b plus 2a plus b. To take the common will be 2a plus b. 2a minus b plus 1 after the common. Remove the small bracket in cap big bracket. 2a plus b, it is same. 2a minus b plus 1 in other bracket. 2a plus b first bracket and second bracket will be 2a minus b plus 1 will be factor of the given expression. Question number 9. 9 is first part. After common should be bracket, but here bracket is not equal. So let us multiply a square minus 2a minus b square plus 2b. Question: interchange the a square minus b square minus 2a plus 2b. Taking the bracket, minus 2 is common, second pair. After common a plus minus minus, a minus b will be after the common. According to formula, a minus b and a plus b minus 2 a minus b. Remove the big bracket, a minus b and a plus b minus 2 bracket a minus b. Taking the common is a minus b. After common, a plus b minus 2 will be big bracket. A minus b common, it is same. Remove the small bracket, a plus b minus 2, a minus b and other bracket a plus b minus 2 will be factor of the given expression. Question number 10. 10 is second part, 9th question. It is same. Question number 10 is first part. First part is 9 minus x square plus 2xy minus y square. That is given expression. 9 minus x square y square and 2xy make a whole square. Write in bracket x square when write in bracket sign change to xy plus minus minus plus y square bracket 9 3 square and x square plus y square minus 2xy will be whole square of x minus y whole square. Let 3 is equal to a and x minus y is b. According to identity 3 plus when write the plus second bracket sign not change. When the write the minus second bracket will be change minus will be plus. That is x factor of the given expression. Eleven question is first part is 11 question. 9 x4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36 x square plus 6 square minus 12x make a whole square. So then write the 9x4 minus x square in sign will be changed y minus is before the big bracket 9 write the 3x square make the identity x square plus 2 into x into 6 will be changed into whole square form. 3x square minus bracket is x plus 6 whole square plus minus 3x square will be a, x plus 6 will be a. According to identity 3x plus 3x square plus x plus 6 will be after the write the plus when the write the minus sign change will be second bracket x minus 6 will be factor of the given expression. Question number 11 second part is x cube minus 5x square minus x plus 5 that is the given expression. Make the pair to take the common. First pair common is x square. After x square common x minus 5 minus no common. Where is no common? So then common is 1. After sign change plus minus minus. After common both bracket should be bracket equal. So then x minus 5 second bracket x square minus 1, x minus 5, it is same, x square change into form a square minus b square, 1 square plus minus in big bracket x plus 1, x minus 1, remove the big bracket, x minus 5, x plus 1 and x minus 1 is will be factor of the given expression. Question number 12, nearest the question 10th question, 12th question, first part. First part is a4 minus b4 plus 2b square minus 1. Take the bracket a4 minus b4 minus 2b square plus 1 in big bracket, make a whole square a square raised by 2 and b square minus 2 into b square into 1 plus 1 square. Write in whole square form a square minus make a b square minus 1 make a whole square. After plus minus a square minus b square minus 1 in first bracket, second bracket will be a square. When the write the minus sign, change the up second bracket. Plus minus 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 plus will be second part 11th question. 11th question, second part is x cube minus 25x. First rule is factor, take the common, after common x square minus 25, make the identity a square minus b square form. X square 25, write the 5 square and x plus 5 and x minus 5, remove the big bracket, x plus 5, x minus 5 will be factor of the given expression. Question 13 is question. Thank you.